making slime. This is gonna be nasty.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're doing a last to leave challenge. What are we leaving? A slime pool. That's right. We're leaving a slime pool. I got some friends coming over, but they have no idea what they're about to get into. So let's go see the reaction.
Okay, guys, we brought our friends over, and we're doing the slime pit.
Slime? How much slime?
I don't even.
It's like over 100 gallons of slime.
Yeah.
Look at them. What are they doing?
What is that gonna do?
All of my friends are here. We got the whole squad here.
Kayla, Sebastian, Hayley, Jason, and Jadyn. I think you've met all of them before if you've been on our channel for any amount of time.
Yes, you
so
have.
what are you doing today?
We're doing a last to leave challenge. Who likes money here?
Yeah.
Me.
What?
Wait.
I
So-
like money. Are you paying me?
No. Who wants $200,000? We're doing last to leave challenge.
Last to leave what?
Oh. Let's go see. Come on.
Yeah.
All right. So who's excited about getting in slime?
No, not me. No.
You are?
Jesse is.
You're not?
Nah.
You?
I'm here for the money.
Hey.
No.
No? You guys are gonna do it though. Let's go. Jordan, are you getting in?
No. I'm
Nah,
not even
nah. Oh my gosh, what a good friend.
I'm gonna shake it around and get thick.
Ew.
Stir it up.
Oh my god! It's slippery!
Kayla, why do I feel like you're gonna... Okay, you guys. I feel like you're like skating on boogers. What's
Slippery.
Yo, I forgot about my ring. Look at my ring.
Oh my god. I can't.
Oh, just get in.
Kayla, you did not win the money already.
Oh my.
It's syrup!
It's like syrup.
Cold and wet.
Okay. All right.
I got this board full of dares.
Nah, bro, someone-
Don't leave the pool or you're out.
Nah, that's not even. All right, Jess. Let's see which one.
Hold on, hold on.
My
Hold
hands
on.
are slimy!
All right, read his dare, Jordan.
I want to read it.
No, Jordan reads it because Jordan is in charge.
Drink pickle juice.
Yay!
What?
Yay!
What kind of dare?
We got Jesse's pickle juice here.
You gotta drink it or you gotta get out. You
gotta
get
go.
eliminated.
You gotta drink it all too.
What? Ew.
Oh my god.
Do you guys like pickle juice?
No.
I just drink the whole thing.
Yes.
That is disgusting, Jess. All right. Well, I guess next dark. Jason's up next. Let's see what dare he gets.
I know my hands
Take
are
it.
slippery.
Bro, I can't grab it. You got it. Just try.
Yeah!
Yes.
Good job, big
Good
sick
job. What is that dare?
See what he got. He got. Dunk your head under the slime.
You actually pee? No, you didn't.
No, you didn't.
Stop it. You pee.
He
He said. Wait.
Jason, did you hear your dare?
Now what? Dunk your head under the slime.
Oh, yeah!
Kayla should have got that one. That would have been perfect.
Kayla, you want to dunk him?
No. Oh, me? Yeah.
Dude, can I do it? Can I do
Now
it?
that's very mean.
Just dunk him.
Oh,
All the way! All the way!
Jesse. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, my God!
Jesse.
Let me see. Let me see.
my
Jason.
ears.
Got him!
Look. I think it's the new look.
Yo,
Jason.
Oh my god.
Jason.
He looks like alfalfa. I'm gonna say that. Stop.
Now it's Kayla's turn.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Jordan, no throwing. Jordan, you're in, so I think you should take a seat, bro. You're in the challenge. Yeah, take a seat. All right. Yo, you guys got him. Let me see.
I'm touching too many toes.
What's wrong, Jordan? You just wanted to have your friends go through this and not you?
Quit rubbing me, Jesse. That was the idea. That was the idea. Yeah.
Yo, can you not speak
Kayla?
on film?
Kayla, can you shoot a dart?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's see Kayla's dare.
Come on.
Maybe, you know, there's also rewards there.
There is?
Yeah. All right.
Please dunk her head.
A1, bro.
Kayla, your dare was you get to take a cup of slime and pour it down whoever player's shirt. That your choice. So hold on. I'll get you your cup.
Okay.
Kayla,
Yeah.
who did you pick to put that cup of slime
I'm gonna have
down
to go
their
with
shirt?
Sebastian.
Sebastian's shirt.
You
Yeah.
don't have enough on you yet, bro.
He's chilling. Honestly, he looks like the biggest threat for winning the money right now.
Even over.
Oh, it's so cold! It's so cold!
Oh
Ah.
There you go.
no! Yes. All right. All right, Jordan. It is your turn. Since you're in there, I guess I'll give the darts out.
God. All right.
Let's go. Let's see.
Come on, Jordan.
Yes. All right. Let's see.
Bro!
What is wrong with you?
Jordan,
There was the truth.
yours says foot massage the person on your left.
Come on. I thought getting payback.
Or you know you can always quit. You can eliminate yourself and not win the money and not touch any feet.
Crusty ass toes. Hey. Oh my god.
You gotta get ready. Get ready. Massage her feet for 30 seconds. And go.
30
It
seconds?
has to be
Wait,
a,
it has to be a
it has to
good
be a
massage.
good massage too.
Like,
if she
in
doesn't
it.
rate it a 10, it doesn't count. It doesn't count.
A rating of 10.
Yeah, it has to be a rate. It has
What
to
do you
be a rating
think?
of 10.
You think you should do it, or you think you should quit?
No, you should. No, I don't think he should have any punishment.
Oh, you're a good
Aw,
brother.
so sweet.
Boy.
Are you quitting, Jordan?
Because they don't like her.
Nah.
Then massage her feet.
Stop moving them like that.
Whose feet is that? Oh, you look good.
Damn,
That
boy.
tickles.
Give me it.
No, you stop it tickles.
Give it.
It tickles.
Whoa, massage the feet. Kayla, is it a 10 yet?
No.
Oh.
Why? You want me to keep
Bro,
going?
get
You're
deeper.
hurting me.
Bro, be more gentle. Like,
Okay.
bro.
Okay, I had Jordan.
Alright, it's a 10. It's a 10.
All right. All right. Let me see your feet. Let me see. Oh, do they look? You think they look massaged and relaxed in the slime bath?
I hope.
You know, people pay a lot of money at the spa for like milk baths and stuff.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
I
This is
peed.
like, you peed again?
I did.
Yo, I'm gonna
No, you
smack
didn't.
Sebastian. No,
I
you
did.
didn't. There's
I
bubbles.
didn't.
There's bubbles.
Green.
Yeah, it is from
Green.
Alright, ready?
You're aiming for green?
I'm aiming for pink.
Pink. All right, let's see how that
Against
goes.
what we say.
Oh, close. Not gonna lie, that was kind of close.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna get it.
Alright. Bro, feel my wrist crazy.
Oh my gosh.
That happened to me.
No, Jordan.
I was up way
It's like a thick ball.
Oh my god.
Sebastian's dare is he has to hold hands with the player of his choice for 30 seconds.
Hayley.
Why me?
Haley.
Haley, let her pay back.
Do Hayley.
Haley, pay back.
Oh, you can hold Jason's
Eeny,
hand.
meeny, miny, mo. Got
Why
your target
me?
by his toe. If he holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Done it.
Go.
A slimy hand. Ew. It's so slimy. Now dunk it. Let me see you
until they get out. That's the rule.
Yeah, you can't let go. All right.
The whole time?
Yeah, Hayley, your turn. Throw with this hand. Oh,
Wait.
please don't stab anybody.
Okay.
All right, hold hands. While you're holding hands,
holding
you
it.
gotta throw that dart.
Oh my god, you lost.
Poor Jadyn. Jadyn!
Oh my gosh.
Look at mine.
Wait, I got this.
You do.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right, I think Hayley wanted the green. Haley, I think you get by far the
Yo, I can't be
best
talking, bro. Look
dare.
at this
What
toe.
is it?
You get to pour a cup of slime on whoever's head.
Okay. Okay. I did it.
Go.
Okay.
They're still holding hands.
Yeah,
Wait,
Sebastian,
can't
you
I
have
let
to get
go?
up with
It was
us.
30
No, you
seconds.
gotta hold his hand. It's not over yet.
Unless you want to get out.
Let me see this one.
Jesse, no. Push it. That's not even laying this way.
Try making your handprint.
Why are there so many bubbles?
Okay.
Not me. It's Jesse, bro.
I pour it in their
It's
shirt?
coming from his
On their
head.
head.
On their head.
Don't pour it on my head, or if you pour it on my head, I'm getting out.
You're
getting
that's
out.
the
But they
deal.
want
Jadyn
you
hasn't-
getting out.
Jadyn hasn't
But
gone
they
through anything
want
this whole
to-
time. She hasn't gone through anything this whole time.
I'm picking Jordan.
Why?
Jordan.
Yes!
Ew.
Yo, you should have done it to his hair. It would have been bad.
I'm connected to her. It's going with me.
It's the new style.
You
You look really good. Wait, can I have the cup? Can I have the cup? Hold on. You look really good. Can I have the cup?
Don't do it.
I won't do that.
So Jadyn, it's your turn.
Hey.
It's
Come on,
a
fix back the
very...
face.
I'm gonna miss it. I already know I am.
You got this. You got this.
Jordan, you're all right.
You got this. You got this.
When you take a picture, conversation.
What is happening? All right, Jadyn, you get the very last balloon.
Oh no.
I sure hope it's a good one.
Okay.
Yes!
Finally.
You threw it in the slime.
Rubbing me. Rub Kayla. She's on your team.
That's why there's so many bubbles.
Wait, help me. Why?
Wait, I got an idea.
Stop.
Oh my god.
God.
What's happening?
I'm slipping.
I'm slipping.
Yes.
It's out of my mouth.
Okay.
What's happening right now? What?
I give up because this is my video. But Jadyn's dare is to race somebody on one of these things. And whoever loses is eliminated. Let's go see who she picks.
Jadyn,
We're holding toes.
who did you pick to race?
Me.
Haley. All right, Jadyn and Haley,
They're holding toes.
come.
Pick up your foot.
What?
Oh, that's weird.
Weirdos.
Oh, look at this stuff.
All right, you two, come race. Let's go.
We can get out.
You can get out. Whoever loses the race is eliminated from the challenge.
Fingers crossed.
Oh my god.
Ready? Go!
Come on, guys. The first one to me. Haley, you are eliminated from this challenge. You're the first one. All right, get back in the pool then. You won.
Oh.
Yeah, or we'll take your $1,000 away too. Hey.
You know what? I'm not that mad.
No, it's gross. How does that slime really feel?
Nasty. It's like wet.
It's wet
Yeah.
and gross. Like snot.
Kinda. It's kind of gross. It's all over my body.
Ew. All right, we'll let you help me torture the rest
I got
of
you.
these guys.
Gotcha.
Jordan, you got Haley on your team now. How are we going to eliminate the rest of them? Let's go. I think it's time for extreme challenges now.
Extreme challenges.
Extreme challenges.
Extreme challenges.
Let's get to thinking.
Okay.
Oh my, okay, wait, I'm done. I'm done.
It won't work.
Bro.
You know what?
That is
Bleeding.
when you fell off the.
No. Are you okay?
Oh no! And you gave up, even though you're bleeding. You worked the hardest.
Yeah. I should get $500.
You should. All right. You know what?
All right, I'm gonna be playing different animal sounds, and they have to guess which animal I'm playing. If they guess wrong, they're out.
All right. Let's go. Let's see.
All right.
I'm ready.
This. Oh,
A sheep.
you're wrong. It's a goat. Get out.
That's the same thing.
No!
A goat and a sheep.
Are definitely different. Jason, you are eliminated.
I thought you guys saying you want to cheat. No cheating.
We're not cheating.
This is an even fight.
All right, now there's only 3 left.
Hey, Jesse, you're supposed to be answering the question.
Top 3, right here. Look at these slimy losers.
All right. Now, what is this? Sebastian.
Kayla.
Kayla the cow? Kayla!
Kayla. Kayla.
I think it's a duck.
You're wrong. It's a chicken. Goat.
No! A goose! Kayla!
Goat.
You lasted so long, bro. So our top 2. One of you is taking home $1,000. What are you gonna do with $1,000?
Save it.
Save it. Whoa, you're smart.
Go buy a dog.
A dog. No, I don't know about that.
A rabbit or
What are you gonna do with $1,000?
I'm taking my friends to dinner.
Yes, to dinner. Yes. I hope I'm your friend.
Yeah.
I'm going to dinner. Let's go.
The final challenge is you two have to wrestle, and whoever goes down first loses. Go, Jesse. Come on.
You got it.
Come on,
Wait,
Jesse.
it's not whoever goes down first, but whoever gets out of the slide.
Oh,
like,
whoever
is
gets
out
out.
of the pool.
Okay, that's better.
And Sebastian, you have to stay on your knees. Yeah.
I'm a
All
slip.
right. Come on. Go easy, Sebastian. Come on, Sebastian. Hey, no,
Jesse!
Jesse, no.
My hand,
Sebastian.
Jesse, I feel like you won. What just happened?
I just won already.
Nah, still in.
Now you're out. You're the winner.
Before we close this video, we actually have one more thing to do. Jordan thinks he's gonna get away with sliming us? No. Let's go.
Alright, come on. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those.